Supreme Court Justice David Souter is stepping down next month at the end of the Supreme Court term after spending 19 years on the court. His departure gives President Obama a first chance to leave his mark on the Supreme Court under pressure from many quarters to appoint a female justice. Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg is the only woman left on the Supreme Court after the court's first female justice, Sandra Day O'Connor, retired in 2006. So, should it be a woman to replace Justice Souter?
That he will draw from a pool of qualified people. That is no doubt that he will. But, you know, every justice brings something, an understanding of something. And in the Latino community, this is a very big deal for us. I was telling you that as soon as Obama got elected president, the emails among the leadership in the Latino community is who's on the list for nominations to the Supreme Court. This is a very important part of our agenda. And the fact that Sonia Sotomayor, who is in the Second Circuit Court of Appeal, is a leading candidate, it's a sign of hope for us. It's very important.
Well, what does that say, though, if he does not pick a Latino, or is the Hispanic community going to be upset with him about that?
Yes. You know,
really?
We've been very clear as to one of the things that are important in the community, that we haven't had the opportunity to have someone that comes from our background in a very important place in the part of American government.
Well, you rejected one.
I think that's...
rejected the conservative Hispanic that was proposed by George Bush.
Well, that's a different story. Now we're talking about Obama.
Okay, in Obama, I'm sorry, I think that's utterly ridiculous. He had a Latino nominee that didn't make it for Secretary of Commerce. I think that he should, President Obama, when he was running, he said, don't pick me because I'm black, and don't not pick me because I'm black. Pick me because you think I'm best for the job. And I think that this is important. This is not a game. Bay's right. It's not an affirmative action pool. This is someone that's going to serve a lifetime appointment on the highest court in the land, in the world. So we need to pick the most qualified person. Sure, it would be great if a woman was there. I mean,
is there any doubt in this day and time? Well, let me ask you this. Is there any doubt in anybody's mind in this country that after so many years, I graduated law school in 1987. Some of the people I went to Georgetown Law School with are on the bench. Is there any shortage of female, African-American, Hispanic, Native American judicial appointees who are highly qualified?
Absolutely, there is a shortage. I wouldn't try to act like there's not a shortage. And should an African-American female be appointed, of course I'm going to be happy as far as that's concerned for the advancement of the country. But I don't think that if you were looking at two people that are qualified, that a qualification is what color your skin is or what your gender is.
All right. Thank you for watching TTC Extra, and whether your views are in agreement or to the contrary, please join us next time.